Namaste, Khushro Bitia. My name is JVN Sachin Pratap Singh, Program BE Journalism, 5th semester. Course name Research Methodology, Session Research. Today I will discuss about research. What is research? Re plus search. रिसर्च री मतलब फिर से सर्च यानी खोजना किसी चीज को दोबारा खोजना या खोजना रिसर्च कहलाता है रिसर्च इज ए process of systematic inquiry that initial collection of data, documentation, or critical information, and analysis and interpretation of that data या information in accordance with suitable methodologies set by professional fields and academic discipline. Research is a process of systematic inquiry that research is a conduct to evaluate and validity of the hypothesis or an interpretative framework to assemble a body of substantive knowledge and finding for sharing them. What is research? And that need to be reviewed and approved by the institutional review board of before proceeding. For the purpose of the IRB, research should be reviewed by the IRB only when human subjects are involved. Then that term research should be considered under a more narrow definition. Research is an initial and powerful tool in leading mean towards progress. Without systematic research, there would have been very little progress. John W. West has rightly said, the secret of our culture development has been research, pushing back the areas of ignorance by discovering new truths, which in turn lead to better ways of doing their and better products. Scientific research lead to progress in some field of life, new product, new fact, new concepts, and new ways of doing thing are being found due to every increasing research in the physical and biological, the social fields. Research today is no longer to the science laboratory. Meaning of research. Word research is composed of two words, re plus search. It means to search again. So research means systematic investigation or activate to gain new knowledge of the already fact. Research is in actual activity. It is a responsible for bringing to light new knowledge. It is also responsible to for correcting the present mistakes, removing new learning and learning to the existing fund of knowledge. Research are considered as a combination of those activities which are removed from day to day life. Those persons who are gifted in intellect and sense pursuit of knowledge, but it is not correct to say that the research to such type of persons. However, it is correct to say that major contribution of research come from highly gifted and commit, committed workers. Thus, the research is a not at all, and it is carried on by hundred of thousand of average. Definition of research. The following are the important definition of research. Research is an attempted to discover, develop, and verify knowledge. It is an process that the developed over hundreds of years, ever changing in purpose and form and always researching truth. Second definition, ye PM Cookie. Research is an honest, intelligent, searching for fact and their meaning with reference to a given problem, to product or finding of a given piece of research should be an authentic contribution to the knowledge in the field studies. Research may be defined as a method of studying problem whose solution are to be partly to wholly from fact. Thank you.